Well, today I'm gonna show you how to make text stroke effect in Photoshop like this. So, firstly we have to get a picture of shoes like that, and I have already chosen shoes, and that is in my Photoshop. You can select any of these photos. It's all your matter of choice. And go to the Photoshop. I have choose this shoes, and we have to remove the bandings, like there is something else in the shoes. So firstly we have to remove this. So to remove it, first select and go to select and follow my instruction that I'm doing right now, and again go to the select, go to modify, expand, and expand to 15. After that, press Shift plus backspace and you will see content aware. Go to content aware and press OK. Look, you can see our banding has been removed, but there is some error, so I'm gonna erase this. You have to be really careful in here, and simply you can press Ctrl plus to zoom in and Ctrl minus to zoom out, and press Ctrl zoom in to which can help you to see more carefully. Now you can see the effect of erasing and removing the banding, and now this shoes has no band, so I'm gonna make it my own brand. And firstly I'm gonna remove the background, because after removing the background we can use this picture to everywhere. And there are three kind of erasers. Magic eraser for the whole entire removal of background, but the normal eraser can be used to remove only a specific part. And now you can see the picture of shoes without background, so this picture can be put in any kind of background you wanted to. I have made my own logo, and I'm gonna put that logo in the shoes as a brand. So firstly I have to remove the background so that I can put this logo in the shoes. Now the background has been properly removed, so I can use this logo. And you can see this is what I had told you. We can use these pictures to any kind of background we wanted to. Now this is the logo of my brand. Now I will show you how to text stroke, and firstly I have to text here, and I am typing Nike, but I'm gonna change it later on because this is not my brand. This is simply a demo how we can move text and change text, and now I'm going to change this Nike to my own brand. After managing your text properly, press Ctrl J to copy your text. So we have to select the object. So for that we have to hide all the remaining layers, and go to the select. Firstly select the object that you want to select, and then unhide all the layers and press Ctrl Z to make another copy of the layer. Put the new layer between the copy layer and original text layer, because this is the simple function of Photoshop. The upper one will overlap the bottom one, and go to the copy text and make it fill to 0%, and go to the FX, the stroke, and you can choose any color, but I'm choosing white color. Hold Ctrl and press on the both text and press right, and then link layers, and this will be one link, and you can move your text in any position. Well, at the end, this is our final result, and you can use this photo in any background, because this photo do not have any kind of background. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel.